Today we are going to take a look at the Goosky S2 Ultra. This is a 200 class helicopter running rotor flight from Goosky. We have a one-piece carbon fiber frame, two-piece for each side, aluminium parts for the servo holding and the main shaft, and then we have some plastic parts to hold the tail in. The tail is an aluminium profile with carbon fiber plates to hold the tail motor. If we take the canopy off, we find a configuration that is well organized with the 3 servo equally spaced from the main shaft. In front we have the Goosky Rotor Flight F4 flight controller with an ELRS receiver in the front. This model is usually flown with 750 mAh 3S batteries that can fit into the cage. One thing to mention is that the type of battery that are compatible with this helicopter is very narrow. So I will put on the screen the dimensions, but you really have to make sure that you get the right size batteries. On the bottom we have the brushless direct drive motor. In the kit the helicopter comes with 3 servo horn spares, 1 feathering shaft, that is the shaft that connects the 2 blades here in the front, and 1 main shaft that goes from the motor to the head. At first I was confused on why didn't they include these linkages, but now that they crashed it multiple times I really understand, because I was never able to break one of these, only to bend the main shaft or the feather shaft. And finally we have the blades. These are injection plastic. I feel like they are fiber reinforced and are very durable. I was never able to break one of them. This, in my opinion, is one of the best helicopters you could get to, first of all, learn helicopters, because it's very durable. I was able to smash it in the ground multiple times with full head speed with only minor damage. In the second place, for me, it's very good for the people who has a big helicopter and want to really push the limits on what they are able to do and want to try new stuff, even at the cost of risking to crash, because of its durability.